How to set up biometric for Coast Capital. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how you can easily set up a biometric login like your fingerprint ID or touch ID for Coast Capital Savings. First, you need to enable the feature on your phone and log into Coast Capital. Let me just show you guys, I've already set up my fingerprint and face ID on my phone. So if I head over to lock screen and AOD, I'll have biometrics, lock screen and fingerprints. I'll just provide my PIN, and then you can just easily find the fingerprints over here. Now, once you have done that, you can just go ahead and simply open up Coast Capital. Once you open it up, you need to enable biometrics. So log into Coast Capital mobile banking app using your regular credentials, like your email and your password. Then you need to navigate your security settings. So from the main menu, you need to select security option. Then you basically have to set up your fingerprint or touch ID to enable it on your account. And then you can just save it and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.